let's answer closely what they said.
In-advise na kami ng team leader namin na mag-proceed na sa building ni Tito Soto sa Baclaran. So, after lunch, nandun na po kami aboard. Ngayon, nag-aantay kami na dumating sila ni Boss Saldi. Na dumating sila. Ngayon, na okay na yung area, na-reco na namin. Pagdating nila, ako nag-guide po dun sa baba.
They said a limousine of Saldico entered the basement of my building. First of all, I do not have a building. We have a PR office in a building near Baclaran.
Parang may basement sa gilid po. Ngayon dumiretso yung limo ni boss, umikot, tapos nag-drop off. Tapos umakyat sa parang hagdanan, Your Honor. At tapos may elevator.
No, that's one. Two, a limo will not fit in the basement of that building. All right.
Kasama niya po si A.A. Mark, saka si Paul, saka yung ISO niya po nga si Police Major Dichoso po.
And then they mentioned something like my EA, a certain Mark. I only have one Mark, Mark Rosales, who died in 2015. So they're talking of 2024. They might have seen a ghost, if they were really there. And then they said a security officer of Senator Soto. I never had any security from 1992 to the present. So, and I was not even a senator in 2024. Baka nakalimutan nila siguro sa paggawa nila nung what do you call that?